Today we're going to be heading down to Joplin, Missouri, and the reason for that, other than I'm meeting up with a couple guys from Moto Amino that are in the Kansas chat, but we're going to be going down to the Bonnie and Clyde Hideout. In 1933, Bonnie and Clyde rented an apartment above a garage in Joplin, Missouri. And on the 13th of April of the same year, police pulled up on the garage and were getting ready to raid it because they thought that there were bootleggers. They had no idea what they were walking into. And it was the Burrow gang. It was Clyde, Bonnie, Butch, I want to say his name. I can't remember Clyde's brother's name. But Clyde's brother, his wife, and then just another member of the gang that, and I can't remember his name, I'm sorry. When it was all said and done, the gang got away and 2 Joplin police officers were dead. And the apartment is still standing. You can rent it as like an Airbnb, and you can rent it by the night and stay in the actual room. From my understanding, I talked to somebody that's been there, and he said that you can still see bullet holes in the walls and that. If you haven't heard about that shootout, you should look it up. I mean, that was one of their bigger known shootouts, because it also wasn't too far away from, or too long before, they got ambushed in Louisiana. And I honestly didn't even know this place was here. I mean, I had known about the shootout. I never really paid attention to where it was. And then recently, I was watching a documentary, and they mentioned that shootout and where it was. And I'm like, well, that's only about 45 minutes away from where I live. So, let's go down there and see it. And the weather's finally right. So, we're going to do it. And you guys, I don't know if we're going to be able to go inside. I doubt it. Because again, it's privately owned. I'm sure we're allowed to walk up the driveway. I think they have a plaque out front, because it is a historical marker. Like I said, I don't think we'll be able to go inside, but won't know for sure until we get there. So, let's do this.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather, since my man and I ain't together.
That's it. That's cool. This is a lot different than it was, because this was all open and this was all woods. You got, yeah, Bonnie and Clyde garage apartment, 1933. Clyde Burrow, Bonnie Parker, Buck and Blanche Burrow, and W.D. Jones rented this apartment and holed up inside for several months on April 13th, 1933. Law officers from the Joplin Police Department and from Newton County seeking suspected bootleggers approached the dwelling. The outlaws opened fire on them, killing Joplin Detective Henry McGinnis and Newton County Constable J.W. Harriman. The borough gang escaped, leaving behind a roll of Kodak film that yielded the first publicly seen photographs of the infamous gang. Heard there's still bullet holes in the walls, but I don't know. I don't see any holes.
That's probably what all the concrete factory is at.
Yeah?
I mean, I don't know. I would think they would be inside, maybe, but I don't know.
Well, they did the shootout out here because they pulled up. All this wasn't here, and I'm pretty sure it was woods behind. And they pulled up out here, and one of them was in the garage, or two of them were in the garage unloading guns from cars, and they pulled up thinking they were bootleggers here, and they had no idea what they just walked into, and they opened up on them, and I guess they were shooting from the windows from the garage, killed two of them and took off. Kind of wonder if that's what that deal up there is. Some kind of...
Like a lag bolt and something.
Yeah, that's a pipe. Threaded pipe. Oh. It'd be cool to go inside.